Best deals. 1. Dokla Maker. Made from premium stainless steel with a mirror finish for durability and aesthetic appeal. Includes sets for making large thatte idlis, mini idlis, and steaming vegetables, doklas, or momas. Thatte idli plates feature a non-stick surface for easy release and hassle-free cleaning. Compatible with both gas and induction stoves. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cooker. Smooth, slippery coating lets you cook with minimal oil while preventing food from sticking. Food residue doesn't stick, making cleaning quick and hassle-free after every use. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Blender. Crush ice, make fresh fruit smoothies, protein shakes, slushies, cold coffees, salad dressings and dips. Fast charging battery with universal Type-C port gives you 20 blends with one single charge. Automatic pulse function for more effective blending, auto stop in 30 seconds so you can be completely hands-free. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dosa Tawa. Prepare health meals for your family like the dosas, chillas, parathas, or something more indulgent like crepes and pancakes in the dosa tawa. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopper. BPA-free body with enclosed spill-free design made from food-safe, BPA-free plastic with a sealed collection cup that catches every piece. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Soap dispenser. Made of stainless steel material, waterproof, rust-proof and having good durability, drain hole design, sloped base allows water to drain out of sight to keep the dish soap dispenser dry. The detachable base is easy to remove and clean, keep the utensils and countertop dry. Features an upscale, brushed metal finish that resists fingerprints and smudges to preserve a sleek, this kitchen sink caddy save more space in your kitchen sink countertop, suitable for holding sponges, soap, brushes, many kitchen utensils and more. It's a great gift for friends and family. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Towel holder. Crafted from high quality, durable material, these towel holders are built to last. Strong yet lightweight, they withstand daily use and are resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-term reliability. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cookware. Utensil used for flavorful, less water cooking. Its lid holds water on the top and, on its underneath surface, condenses steam that rises from the food simmering in the handi. The reverse taper of the sloping sides of the handi permits water droplets to fall directly onto the food inside the handi, thus making delicious, tender and moist food. The saucepan comes in two versions, with one long and one short handle, and with two short handles. Made from 4 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Comes in 3.5 liters capacity and is compatible on gas stove. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cup. Designed with food-safe binders for eco-conscious performance. Crafted from repurposed crop waste that locks in biogenic carbon. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Jar. Is made from BPA-free heavy-gauge stainless steel tear and break-free. This stainless steel containers comes with airtight lid which keeps your food free from moisture, safe and secure at all times. These containers are specifically made for storing grains, sugar, snacks, flour. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Kettle. Enjoy quick heating and fast boiling with this efficient electric kettle, designed for optimal performance in your kitchen. Experience hassle-free operation with this electric kettle featuring a generous 1.4 liter capacity, convenient cord length, and easy-to-clean design. Perfect for families, this versatile electric kettle is ideal for kitchens, hostels, and offices, allowing you to make tea, coffee, noodles, and more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Steamer. Designed for effortless steaming, Fuelbite's high-quality steamer for cooking is perfect for making momas, dumplings, vegetables, and more. Its multi-purpose design ensures healthy and flavorful meals every time. This high-quality baby food steamer is perfect for steaming nutritious meals for your little one, while also serving as a momo maker steamer for delicious homemade dumplings. Its durable design makes it an ideal momo steamer for versatile cooking needs. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Saucepan. With a smooth enamel coating, delivering excellent heat retention, easy maintenance and a premium red finish for daily cooking. Designed as a 2-liter cooking pot and 20 cm casserole, this compact Dutch oven suits couples and small families for dal, vegetables, rice, pasta, soup and convenient everyday one-pot meals. Use it as a biryani pot, biryani handi or dum cooking pot for slow, flavorful meals. The heavy cast iron body distributes heat steadily, helping rice, meat and spices cook evenly. This handi for cooking also works as a curry pot, gravy pot, soup pot or stew pot. Its deep rounded shape supports sautéing, simmering, boiling, braising and slow cooking in one versatile vessel. The induction-based cast iron construction works on gas stoves and induction cooktops, making this induction casserole practical for traditional kitchens, modern homes and everyday family cooking. This enameled cast iron pot is ready to use without regular seasoning. Its smooth cream interior is easy to maintain and helps you monitor browning, sauces and food residue. Designed with a titanium-reinforced, oil-activated enamel surface that supports low oil cooking, smoother food release and long-lasting durability, while remaining free from PFAS, PFOS, PFOA and PTFE, has handle sleeves for convenient cooking, handling, cleaning and storage. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Strainer. Crafted with the finest food-grade stainless steel, this tea infuser guarantees enduring use. Safe from toxins, it maintains your tea's pure taste and ensures a clean sip by effectively straining leaves and bags. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Chopper. Processor is a manual food processor and chopper comes with 2 gears for power and speed. The chopper comes with high-quality sharp stainless steel blades for quality in life. The material used in this product meets the US FDA requirement and it is non-breakable plastic. This food processor product with its 5 different gadgets makes your multiple daily kitchen routine simple and easy. The food processor has 5 different gadgets for easy chopping, dough making, slicing, shredding, and whipping. A unique transparent design of the food processor enables you to experience the internal engineering and functioning of the product. Capacity of food processor bowl is 1.5 liters. Making dough is an art and if you don't know this art then you should probably need an atta kneader. Pigeon food processor is a simple device that takes this mess off your hands, quite literally. It does all the kneading work for you and gives you perfect dough to work with. It is a simple, manual dough maker that requires you to spend minuscule energy on it. Whisking is a cooking technique that involves the continuous movement of a whisk through a liquid to aerate or incorporate multiple ingredients. With whisker attached with food processor, helps you easily whip eggs, make yogurt and cream. With 4 settings slicer dicer disc, fine, thick juliennes and slicing are much more safer and easier with Pigeon Tornado Turbo food processor. The 3 stainless steel chopping blades ensure clean and hassle-free cutting of fruits and vegetables. To ease your chopping, slicing, mincing, shredding, whipping or kneading activities in the kitchen, Turbo Chopper is the perfect tool. Featuring a one-of-a-kind dual-speed design, this manual chopper can chop vegetables, slice fruits, mince meat, knead dough and perform a variety of other tasks with relative ease and minimal effort. The first gear setting is ideal for dicing as it generates power, while the 4th gear is ideal for fine chopping as it enables a faster speed. This chopper helps you get consistent results every single time, making prepping an absolute pleasure. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Stand mixer. 1400 watts powerful motor comes with 100% copper motor providing strong planetary movement for optimal mixing results. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters glass blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. Metal meat mincer allows you to grind meat with a consistent quality. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, dough or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety in not spilling mixture. Stand mixer is covered with a durable stainless steel outer shell construction that ensures longevity, and its modern design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen space. Good for modern kitchens using an electric stand mixer. Stand mixer for baking equipped with a 1300 watt, 100% full copper motor. The Libra stand mixer delivers powerful performance, long-lasting durability, and consistent mixing results every time. A great choice for those needing a cake mixer machine. Overload protection of stand mixer stops if overheated. Safety lock stops if tilt head is not locked. Auto disable won't restart unless speed reset to 0. Anti-slip silicone feet keep it steady. Safe and convenient is a cake mixer machine. Stand mixer for baking includes 6-liter 304 stainless steel mixing bowl for food safety and durability. Comes with splash guard lid and 3 mixing tools, whisk, dough hook, beater, and spatula. Also works efficiently is atta kneader machine. Also included comes with 3 mixing accessories, whisk, dough hook, mixing beater and spatula. 100% copper motor. Mix Master Plus stand mixer comes with 1500W heavy duty 100% pure copper motor, 8 speeds for nearly any task or recipe. From mixing ingredients together on the stir speed, to whipping cream you'll get thorough ingredient incorporation every time. The appliance has a digital panel and preset option for hook, beater and whisker for ease of operation. The digital display is modern and effective at the same time. Built to take it all on with the durable and built to last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. This model of stand mixer comes with 2 mixing bowl of 5.3L and 3L capacity, making total capacity of working to 8.3L. Now you don't have to wash the mixing bowl every time you want to mix, beat or whisk another batch at the same time. Enjoy multiple baking sessions in one go. The appliance works on planetary mixing motion. The moving head and the rotating bowl together create planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent dough for rotis, pizzas and breads. Ample capacity for preparing dough, batter, and mixes for the whole family. Built with SS304 food-grade material for durability and hygiene. Offers precise speed adjustment for all kinds of recipes, from slow kneading of dough to fast whipping of cream. Dust-proof splash guard prevents spills and mess while mixing, keeping your kitchen clean. Comes with a dough hook, mixing beater, and stainless steel whisking cone, ideal for bread, cakes, cookies, creams, and more. Experience the next level of power, precision, and versatility in your kitchen with the Regency Professional Stand Mixer, a true all-in-one culinary powerhouse engineered for the modern Indian kitchen. Designed to replace multiple appliances, this premium machine seamlessly combines the functions of a stand mixer, dough maker, meat grinder, blender, and whipping machine in one elegant, space-saving unit. At its heart lies a monstrous 1400W pure 100% copper motor, delivering unmatched power, superior torque, and long-lasting durability. Unlike ordinary aluminum motors that overheat and fail, a pure copper winding ensures stable performance, low noise, and a longer lifespan, even during heavy-duty tasks like kneading hard atta dough or grinding meat. The advanced heat dissipation system allows for continuous use without burning out. Professional 6-speed control with pulse function. Take complete control of your mixing with 6 optimized speed levels. From slow, Gentle folding at speed 1 for delicate batters to high-speed whipping at speed 6 for fluffy creams and meringues. Every texture is achieved to perfection. The dedicated pulse function gives you an extra burst of power for instant mixing and to tackle stubborn lumps, giving you chef-level control at your fingertips. Large capacity for family cooking. The Asterisk 6-liter high-grade 304 stainless steel bowl is designed for big families and batch cooking. Its large capacity can easily handle dough for 10 to 12 rotis, 1.5 kilograms cake batter, or whipping for up to 12 eggs at once. The SS bowl is rust-proof, food-grade, easy to clean, and comes with a transparent splash guard with an ingredient chute, so you can add ingredients mess-free while mixing. Dough maker and kneader, say goodbye to hand kneading. The professional-grade aluminum dough hook mimics hand kneading motion to make perfect, soft, and well-risen dough for roti, naan, pizza, bread, and kulcha in just 5 to 8 minutes. Heavy-duty metal meat grinder. The included full metal meat mincer attachment is a game-changer. Made from food-grade cast aluminum alloy, not cheap plastic, it can efficiently mince chicken, mutton, keema, and make fresh sausages, kebabs, and burgers at home hygienically. You control the quality and freshness. 1.5L blending jar. The high-capacity, unbreakable 1.5L jar is perfect for making smoothies, chutneys, cold coffee, milkshakes, purees, and grinding masalas. Its sharp stainless steel blades ensure super fine blending in seconds. Built for safety and stability, safety is paramount. The Regency stand mixer features a tilt head design with a secure locking mechanism for easy access to the bowl and attachments. Its anti-slip suction feet ensure the machine stays rock solid on your countertop, even at the highest speed with a full bowl. The overload protection system automatically shuts off the motor in case of overheating, protecting your investment. Premium design and easy cleaning. With its regal red and stainless steel finish, robust ABS body, and polished chrome details, this mixer is not just an appliance, it's a statement for your kitchen. All attachments are detachable and dishwasher safe. Whether you are a passionate home baker, a busy mother who wants to save time, or someone who loves experimenting with gourmet cooking, the Regency 1400W stand mixer is your ultimate kitchen companion. It saves 80% of your time and effort, giving you perfect, consistent results every single time. Product link is given in the 16th link.